Okay, so I want to continue from where I left off on this ActionZone quick trade form. So we need to be able to actually have portfolio context awareness and be able to input um, a stock. So first things first, let's do that. For the manual form on action, I need to be able to input or I need to have an input field to manually input a stock symbol without any edge case that I don't do any of the other zones. That's why. Kind of goofy. Okay, let's see what we get. Added manual symbol state, tracks manually. Okay. Only appear when no symbol is passed as a prop. Convert input to uppercase. Okay. That's current price. Okay. Yeah, we had that. Okay, so let's see. Okay, and then, all right. Okay, cool. Isn't it not finding it? It's right there, price, everything. Huh. Yeah. Hold on. We need to fix this. So it doesn't search API after every character input. Also, it didn't render the price at all. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we get. Cool. Okay. Cool. Cool. All right, I'd say that works. That was nice. Very cool. Okay. So if we go back to here, um, let's do AMD for the millionth time. Okay. Target at 174. Target 2 at 171. It's currently at 176, so if it pulls back, I want to enter the current price right now. Okay. Momentum-based strategy based on bullish trend. Primary entry, Current market price 176.31. 176, stop loss. Okay. Entry at 174. It still wants me to enter there. I'll have to fix some of this. The stop loss is there. That's too much. Yeah, I'll need to figure out a way to program the parameters of your stop loss and risk management more. Yeah, the flow of everything is unveiling itself as I test through these things. And now that we can go from due diligence to portfolio tracking, there's a lot of windows to figure out. So 176, stop loss would be 168. So there's a divergence in information that happens here and here, which is fine for now. Okay, so exit if price closes below 168. Stop loss is at 4.5% below entry. I want to have the stop loss be 1% and enter on the current price right now. Let's see what that gets us. Okay. No. Now, what is the stop loss for AMD if the stop loss is 1%? Okay. Current AMD is 176. Stop loss calculation. Okay, so entry at 176, stop loss at 174. Okay. This means if you enter at the current price of 176.31, your stop loss would be set at 174. Any price movement below there would trigger the stop loss, limiting your downside risk to 1%. Okay, so if we go to execute strategy, that's good. That's what we want. Okay. So that's really cool. The next thing I want to do is be able to let's see, portfolio. I need to be able to close a position to recoup some of this money. So let's do that next. Okay, let's see. So I need to be able to now close a position manually for now and have it reflect in the database and current front-end views and update the portfolio balance correctly. Let's see if we can do this moderately quickly. Okay, let's see what we get. We should have a close position button. I think that we would need to okay. Cool. Well, let's close this one. Okay, cool. How do we check? Let's see if that lines up. Did that actually close out at a how to check this in the DB to make sure. I would love for that to be really quick. Okay. Okay. Awesome. Here we go. I like doing it this way. Oh, wait. There we go. There she is. 773. Okay. There's the balance. Okay. And then we can run all of it. And I think we can get a better structure to print. Yeah, here we go. Very cool. Look at that. Active positions, closed positions, total transactions. Okay. I don't know if that's real or not, but oh, that's just for meta. So yeah, that might make sense. Let's see. Yeah, we opened it and then we closed it. That's 2 transactions. Cool. Okay, let's see the closed position details. Okay, there it is. Okay, cool. Very good, very good. Okay, let me just fix this and then we'll see what else. Okay, so let's give this an actual test now. Let's start all over. Let's go and let's do something like what um what is a stock that would be good to enter in tomorrow morning, August 1st, 2025, that had a pullback of at least 5%. Let's see if that gets us anything. Okay, so it had to clarify that it cannot give us financial advice, but it can give us market context. Market analysts expect a 5% market pullback likely is coming. Stocks that have recently experienced a 5% pullback. Procter & Gamble is off more than 6%. Okay, so I don't need advice. I want to know what stocks are down right now, the night before, so I can enter tomorrow morning. See if it has context awareness to do that. Also, RSI isn't a stock, so there's the more we build, the more broken windows we have. Okay, I'll search for stocks that are down today so you can see what's available for potential entry tomorrow. There we go. July 31st, that's today. Major pharmaceuticals are down. Merck down 4% after Trump sent letters to 17 drug makers asking them to lower prices. That's so funny. Okay. Pfizer down almost 2%. Eli Lilly. Okay. The broader market struggled yesterday with S&P. Keep sector. Okay, so pharmaceuticals had a little bit of a haircut. So let's do compare top three. That's Merck, Eli Lilly, and Pfizer, I think. I don't know what PFE is. Um, so yeah, let's do start quantitative analysis. We'll see who the winner is. Okay, let's see. We have Eli Lilly. So we have our performance. It got 100 on performance because it had the best year-to-date earnings, I'm guessing. Yeah, they're down 11. They're down that 21. Yeah, so obviously that'd be a better one. They're all bearish though. Hmm. So let's excellent year-to-date performance. Yeah, some of this is not the greatest. Let's analyze it at least. Okay, cool. So we got our response back. So current price of Eli Lilly is $740. Is that real? Yeah, that's real. Good God. Okay. Down 2.6%. Analytically, summary represents a premium valued pharmaceutical giant. Suggests institutional support around current levels. Okay. Oh, competitive developments in the GLP-1 space. Yeah, that's gonna make a lot of people money. I should get into that, actually. Um, let's look at the chart patterns. We got a double bottom. Yeah, bam, bam. And then we have an ascending triangle. Stock shows bullish momentum with strong support levels and increasing buying pressure. I thought it had bearish, according to the other one. We have a bullish reversal pattern. Let's see. Let's get a couple answers. I mean, the fact that we can even do all this is still super fun. Okay. Suggests consolidation and potential stabilization, support and resistance, institutional support zone at 700, currently holding above this level because it's at 740 right now. summarize that for me in a few, and let's see if we can do that. Okay. Yeah, that's better. It printed out the chart again, which is fine. I actually don't mind that it does it. I it's kind of a bug, but it's also kind of a feature. I don't know. It's nice not to have to scroll all the way up to see this stuff again, so I don't hate it. And then we get a better structured AI analysis on the technical indicators. So current price action, and then chart pattern appears to be in corrective phase. Potential pattern may be forming a broader consolidation or pullback. Momentum likely shows negative oversold conditions. Immediate support, crucial level to monitor. Okay, so let's see what happens when we go to create a trading strategy. Okay. Entry at 732. If it pulls back. Let's do the classic. Would it be smart to enter right now at the current price, or is it going to keep going down tomorrow when the market opens? Earlier I did a test like this and it was like, do not buy this. Okay, let's see. Based on my current technical setup, I would advise caution. Yeah. No clear reversal signs yet. Wait for signals of price to stabilize. Bullish reversal, candle formation. Yeah, okay. Okay, so it sounds like it might go down some more. So it sounds like it will go down some more. What is the next support for it to fall to before potentially reversing? Let's see what it says. Secondary support 650. This stock appears to have more downside potential before any strong support. Explain that more clearly so I understand. Okay, cool. Let me break down the Eli Lilly situation very clearly. We've identified two optimal entry points, 732 and 710 is above both our planned entry points, suggesting it's not the ideal time to enter. Stop losses. Instead of entering at 740, patience would be better here. Wait for the price to pull back to either 732. This way you're buying at support levels rather than chasing the current price. Yeah. Let's see. Sounds good. What is the like or what if tomorrow it doesn't reach the support? Or should I just go find a different position tomorrow? This is awesome. Okay. 732. I would not force this trade tomorrow. Alternative, set a price. Look for other stocks showing clearer setups in meantime. Yeah, okay. Yes, scan for other opportunities tomorrow instead. Let's see if it can do that. Came back with Eli Lilly. Okay. So that's where it kind of broke out. Trading plan for tomorrow. Oh, well, okay. It kind of gave me something there. So let's just go back. We'll go back to action. I do not want to buy Eli Lilly. Action. Action. Okay, let's buy Meta. Okay. But this time I want to do it with the actual target, or yeah. So we need to go to strategy. What is the stop loss and target for, actually, yeah, Meta's not down right now. Well, we'll do it anyways. It's 1%. So basically Meta's trading at 773. So the stop loss we'll just say is 1%, which will be $77. We'll just call it 700. So, okay. Target price would be 850. Stop loss we'll call 7. Actually, let's see even less, 720. Okay. Execute. Let's see what happens. Insufficient funds. Really? Portfolio 984. Okay, so the actions um, isn't updated with the portfolio. Okay, so we'll do Meta again. $850. Oh, wait. Now it should work. Okay. Stop loss will be 750. Huh? Bizarro. Okay, we got a 500 on that. Trade failed. Failing row. Okay, so I think we'll just bring it in all the way down to here. The action execute failed. Okay, 500 API response. And I tried to buy a position. Okay, so it sounds like there was some mislabeled stuff. So, okay. Okay. Good so far. Okay. Okay. Skip server side fetch. Okay. 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 Let's see if that worked any better. Okay. So action meta, one of them, target at 850, stop loss at 750. Here goes nothing. Yes. Okay. Very cool. Very, very cool. Okay, cool. I am hyped. That's a good sign. We got one share. Okay, so let's go back to portfolio now. Good. And then what do we got? Meta, current, one share. Okay. Real-time tracker. I don't see where meta. Okay. Okay. So the good news is we were able to get it, I believe. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to stop here for now. So this was pretty good. We got a lot done today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.